Right, change of plan. We're going to the Wynn. Beautiful sunset there. Walk through the Wynn, have a look at that. And we have decided not to go to the Bellagio tonight. We are going to run out of time. Need to get up early tomorrow. And for about $24 for parking, just for like walk around, isn't great. So come with us to the Wynn, the last hotel in Vegas. Check this out, guys. Wow. And the Spear over there. Now that is a nice Corvette. I like it. Welcome to America, everyone. Okay, here we go, guys. Wynn, Friday night, Labor Day weekend, Vegas. Let's do some people watching. Totally different night tonight. It's pretty noisy in here, so glad we've got these mics, which are going to be fabulous for you guys hearing us here. How cool is this that we can bring you footage of this spectacular walk through the Wynn tonight. I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I think the video is looking really good. I see a lot of well-dressed people around here, I guess, tonight. Now when we leave, we're going to leave at 5:30 tomorrow morning. Some of these people will probably just be coming in. How cool is that? Wow. Who loves the Wynn then? It's definitely our favourite hotel. Which is your favourite hotel? The Bellagio? The Wynn? The Venetian? I think ours is between the Bellagio and the Wynn. I do like the ambience here in the Wynn. It is simply stunning. All the flowers lit, really spectacular. Restaurants are looking busy tonight. I definitely like that bar restaurant. If we win some money, win the lottery, that's where we're coming in 2025. Fingers crossed. The Wynn is just stunning. Okay, we're going to walk through the Esplanade shops. And let's see what we can see. When you look at a lot of the people here, they've got like a lady there, she's got like 2 Chanel bags. And she's been to Chanel and purchased a few $1,000 maybe. I'm sure you'll agree, it's awesome to just walk through, people watch, and just join in the ambience. It's a little bit quiet through here. I thought this would be a lot busier. Well, I think we've done some incredible video for you guys here in Vegas. So we're definitely not leaving Vegas as losers. I'm sure you'll agree. We are leaving as winners, bringing you such fabulous footage. Right, I'm going to take you on the last walk through the Wynn, past the casino. Back to the car parking garage. And that is going to then be day 6. Will be over. I'll just give you a wave. They're in the mirror there. Love the carpet at the windows. Check that carpet out. So now it's really early at the moment, 7:26 PM. A lot of people are probably getting changed, getting ready, have the evening meal, and then they're going to be hitting the clubs here in Las Vegas. I don't know what that is right ahead. It's like a bar. There's a lot of people meeting at the bar there. Oh yeah, Tower Suite Bar. Look at all the chandeliers, and the colours are just stunning, aren't they? Well, isn't this a great way to end our Vegas vacation? The ambience is just awesome. I wonder where all these people are from. Here in the United States or other places around the world. Quite a few people meeting at the bar there. This is the bar on the right hand side. Now it is really noisy here. A lot of talking going on. Lady there bringing drinks. I wonder if they are still free. Used to be free. Used to just put like $1 tip on. And again, I hope you've enjoyed these fabulous weekends. I've got my McLaren cars at the side there. Okay guys, Vegas, it's a wrap. It's been awesome. Join us for day 7 tomorrow. It's been 10 years since we've driven through Death Valley and Yosemite. We are going to do that tomorrow. It's going to be fabulous. The hottest place on earth. And then obviously one of the most beautiful areas in the United States, Yosemite. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments. Good night from Vegas 2024. See you guys on the next adventure, day 7.